8 ideal breakfast options for losing weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Looking for breakfast options that can help you lose weight? We've got you covered with our collection of 8 ideal breakfast ideas designed to support your weight loss goals. These breakfast options are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized and satisfied throughout the morning. From protein-rich egg muffins to refreshing fruit smoothies and nutrient-dense oatmeal, you'll find a variety of choices to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Start your day off right with these ideal breakfast options and kickstart your weight loss journey. Number 1. Homemade Egg Sandwich, 300 calories. A homemade egg sandwich is a nutritious and satisfying choice for a healthy breakfast. These delicious meals combine protein-rich eggs with whole grain bread, providing a balanced combination of nutrients to kickstart your day. Eggs are a great source of high-quality protein and contain essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12 and vitamin D, and selenium. The whole grain bread adds fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer, supporting your weight loss goals. Here is the specific ingredients for a homemade egg sandwich. 2 slices of whole grain bread, 2 large eggs, salt and pepper to taste. For optional toppings, sliced avocado, spinach, tomato, or cheese. Here is the process for a homemade egg sandwich. Number 2. Pineapple Green Protein Smoothie, 370 calories. A pineapple green protein smoothie is a refreshing and nutritious choice for a healthy breakfast. This smoothie combines the sweetness of pineapple with the vibrant flavors of leafy greens, creating a delicious and satisfying beverage. It is packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. Here are the specific ingredients for a pineapple green protein smoothie. 1 cup frozen pineapple chunks, 1 cup fresh spinach or kale, 1 scoop of protein powder, choose your preferred type, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or coconut water. For optional, add a few ice cubes for extra thickness. Here is the process for making a pineapple green protein smoothie. Number 3. Hash brown omelet rice recipe, 280 calories. A hash brown omelet is a delicious and satisfying breakfast option that can support your weight loss goals. This recipe combines the classic flavors of hash browns and omelets into a nutritious and low-calorie meal. This hash brown omelet is a great choice for breakfast as it combines the satisfying crunch of hash browns with protein-rich eggs. The addition of diced onions and bell peppers adds flavor and a boost of nutrients. By opting for a non-stick skillet and using minimal cooking oil, you can keep the calorie count low while still enjoying a tasty and filling meal. Here are the specific ingredients for hash brown omelet. 1 medium-sized potato grated, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup diced onion, 1/4 cup diced bell peppers, salt and pepper to taste, cooking spray or olive oil for frying. Here is the process for making a hash brown omelet. Hey guys, can you do me a favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Egg Muffins, 90 calories. Egg muffins are a fantastic option for a healthy and low-calorie breakfast. These individual-sized muffins are packed with protein and can be customized with various vegetables, herbs, and spices, making them a versatile choice for weight loss. Egg muffins are a great breakfast option for weight loss because they are low in calories and high in protein. By incorporating vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and spinach, you add essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber to your meal. The customization options allow you to personalize the muffins with your favorite flavors and ingredients. Here are the specific ingredients for egg muffins. 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup diced bell peppers, 1/4 cup diced onions, 1/4 cup chopped spinach, salt and pepper to taste. For optional, shredded cheese, cooked bacon, or other desired toppings. Here is the process for making egg muffins. Number 5. Quick Berry High Protein Smoothie, 360 calories. A quick berry high protein smoothie is a nutritious and satisfying breakfast option for those looking to lose weight. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, this smoothie provides a burst of energy and supports your overall health and weight loss goals. This quick berry high protein smoothie is an excellent choice for weight loss because it provides a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. The berries offer a low-calorie and nutrient-dense option, while Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture and additional protein. Chia seeds can be added for an extra boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Here are the ingredients for a quick berry protein smoothie. 1 cup frozen mixed berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, preferably low-fat or non-fat. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 tablespoon honey or sweetener of your choice. Here is the process for a quick berry high protein smoothie. Number 6. Zucchini fritters, 360 calories. Zucchini fritters are a healthy and delicious breakfast option that can aid in weight loss. These fritters are made with grated zucchini, which is low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. By incorporating zucchini into your breakfast, you can add volume to your meal without significantly increasing the calorie count. Here are the specific ingredients for zucchini fritters. 2 medium zucchinis grated, 1/4 cup whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup chopped fresh herbs such as parsley or basil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 eggs lightly beaten, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Here is the process for making zucchini fritters. Number 7. Banana Raspberry Baked Oatmeal, 200 calories. Banana Raspberry Baked Oatmeal is a nutritious and satisfying breakfast option that can support your weight loss goals. This recipe combines the goodness of oats, bananas, and raspberries to create a flavorful and filling meal. Here are the specific ingredients for Banana Raspberry Baked Oatmeal. 1 cup rolled oats, 1 ripe banana mashed, 1/4 cup unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup fresh or frozen raspberries. Here is the process for making a banana raspberry baked oatmeal. Number 8. Quinoa fruit salad, 230 calories. Quinoa fruit salad is a refreshing and nutritious breakfast option that can aid in your weight loss journey. The salad combines protein-rich quinoa with a variety of fresh fruits to create a delicious and satisfying meal. By incorporating quinoa fruit salad into your breakfast routine, you'll benefit from the combination of protein, fiber, and vitamins, which can help support weight loss efforts. The salad is versatile and customizable, allowing you to use your favorite fruits and adjust the sweetness according to your preference. Here are the specific ingredients for quinoa fruit salad. 1/2 cup cooked quinoa, assorted fresh fruits of your choice, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, fresh mint leaves for garnish. And here is the process for making a quinoa fruit salad. And that concludes our list of 8 ideal breakfast options for losing weight. Do you happen to know any ideal breakfast recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!